Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Trade with Job, and we'll discuss about the market strategies here. Yesterday I could not make video because I was some busy and I wake up late, but that's the reason I have not made any video. But that's okay. That's for me. So these videos are for me, so my analysis and my improvements. It's nothing for other people. I'm just publishing it. So if you like, you can hit a like button. But I'm doing my study every day, so in order to make it uh, good for me. Easy trading. So yesterday, what happened? Uh, Very easy. So I think let's go for Nifty, and then we'll go there. So Nifty open gap up. So I think it was very clear if you do the analysis like we are doing today. So it open gap up and it open gap up with these two resistance that we have above it. That's the reason it went very quickly. Okay. So if you know, do you know what this is? This is actually market profile line. Okay. If you know, if you don't know, study it is, or let me know if you need some information on this market profile. So what does market profile tells? This is tells the comfort zone of buyers and sellers. So as soon as it goes above or below or it reaches to this zone, buyers or sellers are comfortable with that price, so say they start taking trade. So it's similar, okay? So market came at this level, it came down. Again, it went. When it comes to here, the sellers were comfortable with this price, it came down. Again, it came to this resistance, it came down. Again, came in. So sellers are comfortable with the zone. So now when it opened here, they are above this price. Okay. So that's the reason sellers were not comfortable. So it went up and it was very sharp price. I think this is a very nice trade setup for who are doing intradays. Okay. Such type of gap ups and gap downs. So market on downtrend, ding, 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 ding. Then it opened. So it's spark. Okay. Something like this. So yesterday was Fin Nifty expiry, and what I did, I'll tell you exactly. If you look at Fin Nifty, it came up 1, 2, 3, and it was exactly at the resistance zone. Okay. At this point, I think I sold 19,450 with age of this one 19,000 to 550. Okay, I will tell you the exact trade what I did here. Okay, I sold 19,450 at 35. Bought the hedge at 4 rupees, and at so okay, so and so here the maximum profit and loss. I think let me show you if it is 19,550. So maximum loss was 5,000, around 6,000, and uh, profit of 2,000. Then what I did, I just simply shifted it at this level when market came down somewhere, so I shifted it to 7 rupees. Okay, so I shifted it here, so my loss become 2,000 profit, 2,000 loss, something like one is to n. And then I booked it as around 6. So I put a market order. So I think somewhere I booked it here, and it was successful trade. So this is how it is. It's option selling box. So if you like a 1:1 profit out of that, 85% of I booked, it was 2 lots. Okay, this is how the trading is. So you'll have to maintain risk reward, maintain your risk, position sizing, everything. I could not go for the 5, 6 lots because my position sizing is not telling me to do it. Okay, until I have bigger capital. So that's how it is. So now, but again, at this point, it spark up. So it's at this resistance zones. Now, if what will happen today, we don't know. If market opens gap up, maybe it will try to test this resistance. Okay, 19,550 in this chart now. But we'll see in Nifty what will happen. Let's go. Let's go in 15 minutes. So we'll see. Something went wrong. Yeah, yeah. So let's go to BankNifty. Okay, so this is resistance zones. BankNifty still is on this trade line. Okay, Now this is resistance zone above is 400 to 250 is again resistance zone. Okay, then we have a lot of resistances here. So look, market is in. So we don't know. So we'll have to stay. Might be if we get and bounce, then we can sell. So if we get bounce around 44,250, I think that will be a good selling. And at this point, if we will have to, otherwise we'll have to wait for this to break. Okay, to sell more. We cannot sell it here in between now. Okay, either we'll have to sell it here. All these resistance point will have to wait. The market is in very interesting phase. Buyers maybe uh, already finished their capital. So that's how it is. So there's nothing more to say. Okay, so we'll have to wait for the trend line to continue. So once it break, it will go for up. Otherwise it will go for up. So we'll have to follow it. So we'll wait for the bounce. Otherwise we'll have to wait for the trend line to break. Okay, that's how it is. So let's go to the option chain now. Option chain, buyers and sellers are almost equal. Okay, so might be we'll see nullify market today. So we'll not move anywhere, or they will be may get volatile in second half. Okay, yeah. Mm, it's very important to analyze whether the market will open a gap above this. At least this much of analysis we should try. If you are not able to do it, I think there is no point of doing this trading. At least this is very simple analysis that we have. So look at the global market. So Australia flat, Brazil negative, China's flat, Denmark, Finland positive, France positive, Germany positive, Hungary positive, India is the positive only, Israel positive, Japan positive, Malaysia positive, Mexico positive, New Zealand slightly negative, Norway it's a big positive, 1+%. Pakistan negative, Poland it's negative, Russia positive, big positive actually. I think they're finishing their war or something. Yeah. Then Korea slightly negative, Sweden positive, Taiwan flat to flat, but it's in green. It's a flat. Thailand. Let's look at UK positive, slightly positive. US closing was much positive. Okay, if you look at Nasdaq, this one, so it was positive one. Okay, and now let's look at the futures. So futures are slightly US futures are slightly negative, but I think rest are in positive only. Here, if you look at others, so looks like maybe a very confusing market today. So we'll have to wait for trend. And today is Wednesday. Wednesday, most of the time selling comes. Maybe we'll have to wait for to get that opportunity if it is a selling day. Okay, but looking at the global market, looks like we'll open gap up, and this gap up may take another some rally on buying side. So wait for the bounce. You cannot sell like this. So I'm doing only short selling. So my strategies are on that side only. So it's like if it is buying, I'll have to hide somewhere. If it is a opportunity for selling, I'll go for the selling. Something like this. Okay. Let's look at my our trade weekly trade. What's happening there? Yeah. So just to be clear. So now we have this 18,000 sold, which is as 90 rupees, and it was in 3,000 3.6k profit. But now I think it will not be in profit. And yesterday till the yesterday it was profit, but if it goes above it, it may not. But I'm still holding it because I'm expecting good return here. Okay, so I already booked 1.7k. So out of this, so my risk is already reduced. So it is already it's good actually. I have reduced my risk now. So I'll wait for market to decide. So otherwise, now next week trade is also taken. This one is so I will take next trade. Is only at it's about 18,000. Uh, I think this one. This week 18,850 above these levels. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, I will trade only the expiries. Okay. Yeah. So that's how it is. You'll have to maintain your risk rewards. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your day. Plan your risk positions and have a profitable day. Bye, guys.